afternoon, everyone. And my name is Angel Bertner Franco, and our topic for today is all about information age. Information age. The age of information refers to the period in our human history when information technology has become globally pervasive, replacing the traditional methods in doing things. Humans are surrounded on all sides by technology, claiming to supply information, television, smartphones, and internet device. So, ang kuan sa information age is information age. The age of information refers to the period in our human history. Amo dun siya ang kasagaran kuman mga tao. The information age, also known as the third industrial revolution, computer age, digital age, silicon age, new media age, internet age, or the digital revolution, is a historical period that began in the mid-20th century. It is characterized by the significant shift towards the use and availability of digital technology, especially computers and the internet in various aspects of society and everyday life. Ang panahon sa mga informasyon o mas nailahan si na third industrial revolution, computer age, digital, amat sila sa mga kuan, mga information na mga kuan, mas nailahan sila nga usa ka kasaysayan nga nagsugod sa tunga-tunga sa ika-20 nga siglo. Kini gidala sa dako nga pagbag-o ngadto sa paggamit og hinatnan sa teknolohiya sa digital. Labi na ang mga computer o internet sa lain-lain na bahin sa katilingban o sa matag adlaw nga kinabuhi. So, amo ra din ako makuha sa the information age. May kasagaran ko man kay amo na lagi dyan ang pang sa mga estudyante, sa katawhan ko man na importante bitaw mas dali ra maka-connect sa line-line ng mga tao, laban na dyan computer, process, mga programming system. Isa na sabdan siya ang mas nailhan sa tanan. Thank you, and that's all.
Everyone, my name is Jimmy Shokon, and my topic is all about information. Information is a word is a combination of sounds that represent something. This makes the words distinct from simple vocal utterance. Words are informed because are clear informations or meaning. We use words in communicating. Hence, we are technically communicating meanings. Ang words ko no is ginagamit na to ang words ko no is magamit ko na to ang words sa pag-communicate. Ang paggamit sa atong utterance. Example, when a person says the words plant, that automatically means he's referring to an organism which has leaves, stems, and roots. A simple utterance made by a person's like does not represent anything, hence, it's not a word. And that's all. That's all from my topic, and thank you.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. My name is Felix Yante Camara, BS Criminology student. My topic is all about role of language. So, role of language is the ability to name and classify objects found in nature is the first step of knowing. Hence, in our search for knowledge, language is very useful and essential. It is clear that thinking in terms of a common system being generated by speaker and received by the listener, it is useful in the pursuit of knowledge. So kita joy ato lain-lain na gamit na language sa kada lugar, joy ato own dialect na tagamit sa ato lugar. So purpose ng language is an ability sa pagkilaya sa mga sangayan sa mga butang nadyaon sa ato palibot. ito din mga examples, pero dyan rin ako examples is an individual who go to another place he is not familiar with. We always make sure to ask someone about their culture and whereabouts. So for us to know, we use language as a mean to communicate with them. So magamit ang language para pagpangutana kung ilang mga kultura, then para sa magkasinabtanay. Dali ra masag common kay may technology nagamit like translator para mapadali ang pag-communicate sa isig tao, even kung tiglain ka na lugar or tiglain inyo language na tagamit na dialect. So another example is language is a very essential for our day-to-day living. Also, we use language not just verbally, we also use it through action as a way to receive our message. So gamit ka radyo nato ang language dili ra kon sa pagistorya, gamit sa pag-actions. Like dahil sabi man na mga mute sila makaistorya, so magamit sila ng sign language para na magkasinabtanay, para dili sila mabidya sa mga dawi mag-communicate kita. And that is all, ma'am. Thank you.
Mathematics as a language of nature. This the since the people discovered the laws and language of Newton. They were able to develop technology that used the laws and language of this benefit this language of refer to as mathematics, which has the significant contribution of Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton is known for his famous book Principia Naturalism, Principia Mathematic, or Mathematical Principles or of Natural Principia. Mathematics is the opinions as tool for describing and understanding natural the word it is the use in the various scientific disciplines such as physics, chemistry, and biology to make prediction, analyze the data, develop theory, underlying assumption is the universe operating according to certain mathematical principle pattern which can be discovered and understood through mathematical modeling and analyze this the concept supported the fact many natural phenomenon such as the motion of essential the body behavior symptomatic particle organism can described using mathematical question principle. Therefore, mathematics can be considered provides framework for understanding and describing the natural the world.
Good day, my name is Felix Yanticamara, a BS Cream student. This topic is all about the technological world. Technology is literally a fruit of science. The scientific principles pave way for human discoveries and inventions. Western thinkers aims the forces of nature after understanding them better. Many of the inventions in the antiquity were used as basis for succeeding developments. So technology in the technological world. So technology is technology. Ano naman technology? Technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes or applications. So hamok ra jaw purpose na technology sa society. Hamok sab na-apply. Hamok na apply from technology to the human life, especially sa ato environment. Kumbaga sa aton mga inventions, mga tag-invento, kumbaga preparation tag provide na mga inventors para sa sunod na mga katuigan or in the next generation or the futures. And sa kahamok sab na tag-imbento sa una na panahon, kundi dito ra sila nag-focus sa pag-overcome sa paghimo sa mga dapat pa ang i-develop na mga butang, like atong inventions ni Alexander Graham Bell. Siya nag-invento ng telephone, kundi sa kuman, which is nagamit nato sa pag-communicate which na napadali nato communications even through the other country, kumbaga worldwide na. So dapat nakaisakuman sab sa cyberspace is laganap ang mga fake news or other mga scams, o sa kung kita magkaon sa social media, dapat lang pa think before we click. That's all. Thank you.
So, good day, ma'am. I am Chica Villano. My topic is all about printing press. So, printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in 1440. This was made to convert the handwriting text kept in monasteries for hundreds of years into printed form. Knowledge were preserved in printed books. Dissemination information across the world became easy and convenient. The invention of printing press marked the beginning of a true revolution. So the printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in 1440. So before its invention, books and other writing words were created by hands. So a process that was unlimited in quantity. This made knowledge and information difficult to share and access, as it only available to those who could afford to have items created for them or who had access to skills and scripts. So that's all. Thank you.
For addressing data processing and information sharing needs among scientists for the European Organization for Nuclear Research. This was exclusively used for intelligence and research purpose. On 6 August 1991, WW was introduced for public use. The World Wide Web, it means that usan is ka public website or page na kaya ma-access sa mga users sa ilang mga local computers o other device through internet. This is top 10 use of the internet source ID in 1995. Number 1. Electronic mails. At least 85% of inhabitants of cyberspace send and receive an email. Some 20 million email messages cross an internet every week. Electronic mails or email isa ni sa ka computer-based application na ginagamit so exchange some message between users. Number 2. Research. It helps used to research some important things, especially to a student on our student research assignment and a lot of more. Number 3. Downloading files. Internet help us to download some important files, images or videos that we like to download. Number 4. Discussion groups. This include public groups such as those on Usenet and the private mailing list that listserv manage. Number 4. Discussion groups. This includes a public group like those people on Usenet. Number 5. Interactive games. Who hasn't tried to hunt down at least one game. Interactive games it is used by to play online games like Mobile Legends or ML. This game has a lot users, and this is one of use to internet to have an access to games. Number 6. Education and self-improvement on online course and workshop have found yet another outlet. Education and self-improvement internet also used at the help on education. It helps a lot of students to their research or other things. Number 7. Friendship and dating. You may be surprised at the number of electronic personnel that you can find on the World Wide Web. Friendship and dating, this category is ginagamit yun siya sa mga tao karon, especially dating. A lot of people are looking for the one of truth online, and others used to category of find friends. But all, as all of us know, some people that are using this platform are not stating their personal information and hide their identity and to be secure. Number 8. Electronic newspapers and magazine. This category includes late-breaking news, weather, and sports. We're likely to see category leap to the top 5 in the next several years. Electronic newspaper and magazine. This category used as a new way to knowing what is the happening, knowing what the weather will be, sport, not in the exact time like a breaking news. Number 9. Job hunting. Classified ads are the abundance, but most are for technical position. Job hunting is used for a lot of people to find job that is suitable to their capabilities, but some of are more technical. Number 10. Shopping. It's difficult to believe that is a category even ranked. It appears that cyber mails are more for curious the serious shoppers. Number 10. Shopping. It is used to be people to shop their things or needs throughout online because of this they didn't need to go the store to buy things, they just need to order it online.